6.11 to discuss about how you can protect your Excel documents. We call this document because we have two layers to protect the workbook level and all protect the worksheet level. They have the different behavior. If you protect a workbook, it's come to the worksheet level. You cannot new add or modify a worksheet, but you still can do the change to the cell level. So that's why we introduce the worksheet level protection that will protect the cell level. And also we will introduce another the kind of the library to help do this password the encryption using this Pi-Win32 library, not this OpenPyXL. So let's do this through some samples. So first, let's create C.611. That is the protect in Excel. So first one is the protect workbook. So let's do this. Same as we have our 3 lines, open py Excel import. Now is we just open to process our file in the normal mode, so we don't involve right-handing, read-handling. But I hope you remember in which situation you can use the different mode. So we just with the blank and with this WB dot active, and finally we will save. So WB dot save the 6.11.1 dot xlx. So again, so cd dot and cd 6.11, and you make the working branch come in here, and then we will test this. You should create our new file here. So that is our empty file. Good. And then we are starting to test the workbook level protection. So first we create our cell is A2 with our value. So WS A2. So we put that with our value A2. And we create another worksheet. So here, using the workbook create sheet method, we will create sheet 2. So by default, our active worksheet is a sheet without number, and we create worksheet 2's A1 is equal to this sheet 2. Now let's run to see our contents. So we have sheet with A2 with this small A2, and we have sheet 2 with A1. This is sheet 2. That's perfect. And then what we are going to protect is this one. So we don't need to import any other object is inside the workbook. So just the workbook's different method. So we load that security, and within security we have the properties workbook password. So we gave our password 123. That will set the password to your workbook. A workbook including all the worksheet. So workbook security dot lock structure is true. After you set this true, your workbook is protected. So let's run this, and you can keep open. So this just a viewer. Let's make our view. So we come to 611 and we open this. We have the workbook level 1, 2, 3. So let's see. So what's this? So if I want to create a new, so you can see here is a gray out. So you cannot make a new. And if I want to delete, rename, insert, so all are gray out. So there's protected actually. But remember here, so it's not protect your cell level. So you are able to do whatever within the worksheet you can make or insert. So you can insert those, and there's the no protection, and you can save. And if I save, let's back to our file. So if I want to view, so in the sheet 2, those are my change. So that means you protect the workbook level. So those are impacted on those worksheet level, not in the cell level. How I can make that unprotect? So I think it's here on the review security. So here you can see protect the workbook is checked. So protect sheet is not. So if I want to unprotect, I will type in the password 123. Then now I can insert, and also I can delete. So those are the way is you see here. We protect structure, but not the window. So let's see. So I put that 1, 2, 3. If you do that menu, so don't save. So it's still protected. So log structure. So let's see. So what's I saw the window. So let me see. Is log. Do we have this window? Yeah, you can see here is also run this without error. So let's go to here on the review. From here, 1, 2, 3. So it's unprotected. And here is I don't make this window protected. So it's no big change. So let's not save this and to see the workbook. I see. So open py excel workbook security protect window. Do we have this method? Lock, no, not protect. Here is the workbook, the OpenPy Excel's documents. The log structure, so that is true. Do we have the log, no log window, the property? So let's not use that. But looks like it's a log window is also accepted. You can also use here to set workbook password with hashed password, and this worksheet protection. So let's go to the next one. So we go to the worksheet 611.2 protect worksheet. So let's continue. So, but this one I will not to do the demo, but just let you read this book and to ensure you notice that this situation is you cannot do the worksheet level add, insert, delete, change, update within with Excel, but here outside Excel is not controlled or is not protected, because we still can do this change, create new, delete alt by code. So just pay attention to this because that will be certain danger. So if you misuse those, you try to protect something, but actually is not actually take effective. So if you want to do the protection, ensure is the manage your code and try to use that in the proper way. So then let's go to the this worksheet level. So workbook.save to the 6.11.2. So we will have our new file created with empty. Now let's set is just directly go to the worksheet protection, give our password. Let's give a different one, 456, and then worksheet protection sheet level is true. So let's compare to this one. So in the workbook, our object is WB, not the WS, and the method is security, and property is workbook password and the log structure. And here is the method is protection. So, but object is worksheet protection with a password and a sheet, and the set is a boolean to true. So let's make this. So after I set this, let's open this 6.11.2. So if I want to make or insert, you can see on the worksheet level, all this gray out, but I can add worksheet so that you are not protecting the worksheet in the workbook. So, and if you come to the review, you can see on this sheet 2, sheet 1, there's no protection, but if you switch to the sheet, just see here is a little difference. Is here is protected, so you can only do the unprotect. So unprotect, type in your password. Now is release those protection. So that is the worksheet level. The protection is protect on your cell within one specific worksheet. So because we do this in the active worksheet, so that is only protect this worksheet called the sheet. So you can make that distinct. And then we make some the password protection with those the different way, because if you want is even we use the earlier two method, people can still open your the Excel file and see the content. If you don't want people to open that, you need to do that protection on the open the face. But these are not achievable using this OpenPyXL, so we need to use another this library. So let's first create this password protection.py. So what we will do is we use this Win32com interface, and within this the Python we have this PyWin32. So let's first install this library. Simply like install pip. So sorry. I will try to get this, and then yeah. So requirements already satisfied is I already have this pip the list. So let's use the pip phrase to see is I have this py Win32. Yeah. So I have that on 3.06 version, recently already installed. Then let's use that 32com import client. Let's run this. So it's no error, so that means our PIP installation is correct. Then what we will do is we define our self-encryption function, encrypt the Excel, and we give our file path, old password, new password, read-only mode or not, read-only password. By default is we give this our just empty string. So app, this application is use this client dispatch. This is the built-in the Excel application. This used for open the Excel, and then the app display alerts is false when you want to overwrite a file. There's no pop-up, and open use old password. So here is the workbook, is app. These are the function or method in this Win32com interface. So pass, false, false, none, old password. So read only password. Let's save. There's a pass false, and then we continue with save as with a pass now new password, read only password. With ensure you close your workbook or the capital C, and then app, you quit Excel, and if remember this magic method is if we call this program from self, then we will do some default things. If you forgot about this, check for the earlier video about this magic method. R is I think is the I use our test. I will make another test file here, encrypt Excel. We gave a pass, so let's first finish this. File pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the new password, and the read-only password we gave nothing. Then let me just drag our test any file. So this file is for the read-only. It's not insert. Let's just use this. Let's copy one test. So test with some column with those fruit information. Password protect. So we use this encrypt the Excel. So if you use that, then you can give our the self password for those. Let's try to use that. So from this and let's try to call that. Let's create our another file, call password protect. let's get our initial file. So we have opened and write. So let's do this. So where is our file? So then we will ws save to the test with password. So let's run this. Well, we open wd, so not ws. So we should create our new file. Oh, workbook. Sorry, it's wb. Yeah, we have this empty file. What we will do is we will open this test file. Then we will give this test file our the password protection. So let's suppose, and I will add the code here. So I try to replace this using this load workbook, not this just a pure workbook, because we don't need to create, and we want to open this test. And then this I rename this the 6 point. Let me put this as 3, and we just have the without this underscore hyphen. So with password protection.py, and load this encryption. So the formula. So now is we have this loaded, and then the path is let's see, the path is those one. So let's make this I have the path defined. So then path is this one, and the old password. So let's see. So new password. So old password has nothing, and the new password read-only password is this one. And then I will save that. Let's see. Oh, read-only password is not defined. Did you mean read-only password? Oh, so pwd. So I put this wrong. So pwd. Let me rerun. Sorry. So line 5 is open. So this one file name. Include exception. So what's the arrow? 6 and 6. Let's put this here. It's equal to pass. So sorry, back. So I just did some troubleshooting. So we can directly don't need to use the another file. We just use the same function because we have this magic magic function method we protect. But here is people the author mentioned I didn't aware. It's on the first this argument, you must use the absolute, the full path. I use this dot with backslash with this text dot xlss, not the full path. Is not working. So after you do this, you can set here. So if you look at here, is if I open, just let me try to open that. I have used the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 password to open this file because I already run this and it set this to the new password. and if I clear the password, let me run this again. So after it's run, you can notice here, and they have a temporary running something. And then if I open that, now it should be open directly without any password. So this one you are just checking some password. So I clear this and current test.xlsx has no opening password, and I don't need this one. So what I will do is if I want to create our file, so it's here. So if I want to save to this one, I will give the path also should be the open this file and save to this file, because currently it's 0 password. And again, I need to, so not this one. So I need to put this complete folder. So let's use this R, then I can use the backslash. So with this backslash, so that's the complete folder. Let's try to see what I'll save. I can use this short folder. So let's run. It's saved and should save overwrite my test with password. Let's try to open. Yeah, it's opened. And if I try to save this to read only, and then with this path, this path also the test, so not come to this test one. So that let's see. So I will save this again. I didn't save that, so it's fine. So let's run. It's opened. Oh, let's have a look. With archive and line, file is not a zip file, so we have this one. So let's see so whether it's already set password. So let's make it 123. Oh, it's test. What's the arrow? Load workbook is this one. So I don't need this one, because within our file we are load our password opened by the Excel. So WB save is not defined. Okay, so that is also not needed, I think. Let's run. Line 5, encryption. Your password you supply is not correct. Okay, so now actually it's already changed to here. Let's change to 456. So you need to remember your password. So now looks is running. So let's test whether it's a 456. This one. 456. Perfect, it's open. And now the password is already, so current password, let's just write down here is as no as 456 password. Okay, so what I have just demo to you is we define our password protection the function using this additional Win32com interface, and we test this running inside our function and also try to call these functions from another file. Actually, we don't need this workbook. the load, and then this now is 456. So if you want to clear that, let's do this. So now let's see. Oh, it's cleared. So just ensure it's has no password. Let me save, and finally let's verify it can be opened without password. Yeah, perfect. So try to test from your side is just ensure, remember here, you need to use the complete pass. Otherwise, it will have an error. I got quite a lot of error. The error message is not found. You cannot find your file. So that is if you don't use. So let me see here. Put that if you don't use full pass, you will get the following errors. Okay, hope this makes some reference for you. Thank you for your watching today's video. You can do more tests like yourself. And next video is going to the open with the play with our Excel. Is the last chapter. Is we will try to discuss how you can convert the old version XLS to XLSX because if you only use OpenPy Excel, that will limit it to XLSX the format. But now we have a 132COM. This another powerful library. We may discuss is how we can work with some old Excel file. So see you in that video. Bye.